Hello viewers, today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download any video from any website in Google Chrome on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser. In the search bar, type Web Store and hit Enter. You'll see the Chrome Web Store link at the top. Click on it to open the Web Store. Once you're in the Web Store, type Video Downloader Professional in the search box. Now, click on the first one. Now click on the Add to Chrome button and then Add Extension. Once you click Add Extension, the extension will automatically be added to your Google Chrome browser. Now, go to the Extensions section at the top right of your browser. You'll see the Video Downloader Professional icon there. Click on it and then pin it to the toolbar so you'll always have quick access to it. Now, let's move on to downloading a video. I'm going to the website mixkit.com, which offers free stock videos. You can search for videos in the stock video section. I'm selecting this video from the site. To download it, simply click on the download icon in the top right corner of your Google Chrome browser. You'll see the download size options appear. Choose the size you want and click download. And the video will start downloading. You can track it in your download manager. Once the download is complete, you can open the video file from your computer and can play it. Look, the video has successfully been downloaded to my computer. And that's it for today. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Keep watching for the next one. Thank you very much.